Package dimension 10. 668 hx3. 81 lx6. 858 w, centimeters. Package weight 0.045 kilograms. Secures door for travel. Fasteners included. Has a universal replacement. Fits all RV sliding mirrored doors. It secures doors for travel. Fasteners are included. Set of 2. Top reviews from the United States. Works like the original hardware. I've replaced these before, and don't expect them to last forever. Yes, they're made of stiff plastic and can be broken easily if care is not taken when opening the sliding glass doors in my RV. I've applied a light grease to the edges that contact the door frames to make the closing action smoother and quieter. This should help reduce wear and tear. But opening, unlatching, is really the problem. I use the fingers of 2 hands to carefully pry the latch from the door frame, and then gently ease the door away from the latch. If you try to do it all quickly with one hand, you're more likely to break the latch.